To facilitate the ease into automation and digital integration, EzKin developed the solution Factory View Online. Factory View Online is a cost-effective, fully integrated production and maintenance monitoring solution. Factory View Online allows manufacturers to easily see production, find problems, fix issues faster, and keep assets running at their best. With multiple features in one solution, you can monitor equipment live, maintain inventory levels, manage work orders, approve purchase requests, mitigate downtime, and much more. The simplified user interface allows for easy installation and connects with what you currently have in place for your team. Adding Factory View Online's custom hardware to equipment gives manufacturers a tool to connect and assess real-time updates via desktop or mobile. Through the robust reporting suite, managers can track, measure, and learn to enable better future results. Regardless of the size of the organization or project, Factory View Online is easily scalable for all to use.
We started looking out for sources to monitor our automated pieces of equipment. We are heavily investing in cobot robotics, so we wanted to ensure that we were being effective with our investments, and that's what led us to Factory View. So we take that data and we score ourselves and set baselines and averages and create goals and incentives for our team that work with the automated equipment.
Well, before Factory View, our requisition system was a paper system, a carbon copy system. So if you wanted a requisition through and approved, somebody would write a requisition, then have to walk that requisition around to get appropriate approvals and signatures. We started Factory View with the requisitions, which allowed traceability. It's allowed easy approvals. You can set approval levels where certain things won't go through unless a certain person approves it. We since expanded to machine equipment monitoring, which is again an excellent addition to what we do, and it's used throughout the plant by the CEO. He can sit home and tap a few things and know exactly how everything's running.
We always had to go to the machine itself to look at cycle times, or we had to stand there and count them, or we would have to rely on the parts itself before we entered them into the system. The Factory View system has cut our time down 70–80%. I don't know how managers can actually run a factory without something like this.
Learn more about how Factory View Online can impact your business.